What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video, guys. So today's video is going to be a easy yet simple interior mod you guys can do to your guys' car. It's going to be pretty much interior lighting for your vanity, which is these little thingies right here. Your vanity, your dome lights, I guess you would say, and then your trunk, and then your glove compartment. So I got these from Diode Dynamics. Diode Dynamics, it's a whole kerfuffle about what's going on there. But we're going to go ahead and install these parts, these lights, these lights to the car. And yeah, if you guys know, the 2017, or 15 through 17, or even 15 through like 2020, the interior lights look like a bunch of people are just holding a bunch of candles. So like the lighting is not the greatest. So this is the stage 2. Stage 2? Yeah, stage 2 lighting. The white one. Cool white it is. If you guys want to get these for yourself, here is the part number. Hopefully that zooms in on that. But the part number is, I don't even know. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and install those. You just need literally one simple little tool that I have here. I actually bought this little kit off of Amazon. It's this little kit right here. It comes with a bunch of different like little bits. What you'll need from that kit is this small little screwdriver, if it'll focus on it, which it won't. So it's a small little screwdriver so you guys can get into, you guys can get into the dome light right here, because you guys can see it looks like straight trash. You guys need, and also the vanity light, which is straight trash. So we're going to go ahead and change those out, and the glove compartment box. Oh, what do we have here? Some S550 parts sunglasses that you guys can get at S550 parts, and dog poopy bags. And then also the trunk light as well, which I don't know how to do yet. So the kit comes with everything. It comes with the map lights, glove box, trunk, and all 4 vanity lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit you guys down. Sorry, I have to like tilt this way so the fluff doesn't. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and install these, just prying off the little cases here, and then we can go ahead and get started. You don't need to disconnect your battery. They are, I think they're polar. They're not polarized, but they're directional, so you have to like kind of mess with them to get them the right fit in right. So let's go ahead and get one off. It's going to be real simple, just prying open the light and then taking out the little diode thing. Alright guys, so grab your little tool here, and then let's go ahead and pry this little guy up and out using your pry tool. This might be a little bit difficult, but just slowly work your way over. There's 2 little clips on each side that you can clearly see. Alright, got that one off. So you guys can see right here the light. Okay, so I kind of messed up. It looks like you do need to get a flathead or Phillips and take this out. Do the same thing on the other side. Take out that Phillips head, and this whole like little unit thing will come out. So then you can just pop that back in. So let's go ahead and do that, and I'll update you guys in a second. Okay, now that you have this off, like I said, these screws that are right here come off, and you just pop it off. Take out these little diodes right there, and then you can go ahead and open up your Diode Dynamics ones and pop those bad boys in. Okay, now that you got your lights in, they won't do anything just because the little flapper isn't on. So when you get them in to test them out, you press down right here just a little bit, and you can see that they are way different. So as opposed to these ones, Look at that. And then look at this one. Way brighter. So we're going to go ahead and do that on that side as well. Same thing. And then we're going to go ahead and move on to the lights right here on this. And then everything else is kind of self-explanatory on the last one. So I was going to go ahead and do those ones for the on the camera, and then everything else off camera. So I'll catch you guys all in a second. All right, so we got so far these lights. We got the dome lights. And I still got to work on this side, which is the same process as this side. Gonna go ahead and work on the glove box light and then the trunk light. So yeah, let's go ahead and get that started. This actually doesn't take that long. I'm lazy and I'm taking my time. So you know what? I'm just gonna do the rest of this off camera, and I'll catch you guys all in a second, so I can show you guys all what it looks like. Because like I said, if you guys have a 17, you guys know about everything already. So let's go ahead and just do everything off camera. Okay, so as you guys can clearly see, we have the Diode Dynamics interior lights all hooked up. We have the glove compartment box all hooked up. We have the vanity lights hooked up. And we also have one extra, just because... Oops, hold on. Just because we have an extra one, which is because I did not know, and my trunk light is already LED. So it's already a LED. So I have an extra light. I guess if anybody wants it, let me know. But all in all, it was pretty simple. Like I said earlier in the video, all you need is going to be a a Phillips head screwdriver, and pretty much a small flathead to pry open the lights, like the light covers. Other than that, and also to pry out the light as well. The hardest part is just seeing what you're doing. So like for the glove compartment, hold on. So for the glove compartment, whenever you pop this down, you're gonna have to press this button so you can actually see inside your light. So there's obviously more light coming in now as opposed to then. So wow. So all in all, I like it. It's a good investment. Now I have these extra little lights here that I'm just gonna toss just because I don't need them. So yeah, with all that being said, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys all in the next one. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell icon to be notified when my videos do come out, and I'll catch you guys all later. Peace out.